Welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government past question. Question number 46. Question number 46 says a representative of a Commonwealth country in an under member state is known as dash. A representative of a Commonwealth country in another state is known as that. That is, what is the title title name given to a representative of a common Commonwealth member states? Option A says High Commissioner, B says Consul General, C say Ambassador, D say Attaché. So the Commonwealth representative in another state or country is called High Commissioner. Option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.